Hey guys, I wanted to give you one more example to work on this review systems of linear equations. This is an example of a word problem, and I just want to kind of help you set it up. It says a bicycle store costs $3,600 per month to operate. The store pays an average of $40 per bike. The average selling price of each bike is $120. How many bicycles must the store sell each month to break even? So how many bicycles is something we're trying to find, and we're trying to find what it takes to break even. Okay, so what we're going to look at here is that X is going to be our number of bicycles, because the number of bicycles is going to depend on, or I'm sorry, the cost and income both. So Y is going to be cost and income both. It's just basically going to be a money value, okay? Both are going to be dependent on the number of bicycles they sell. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one as an income and the second one as a cost. It really, the order, I guess, I could cost first. If we want to, I can do that over here. We can do cost first. Since it starts with cost, it says that the total Y that it costs is $3,600 a month, plus they have to buy each bike for about $40 per bike. Okay, so that would be one of your equations. Your income equation would still be Y, because we want to know when those two are the same. That's our break-even amount. And when it comes to income, their income solely comes from selling bicycles, and they're going to sell each bicycle for about $120 per bike. Okay, so step one in each of these is going to be to figure out how to write the equation. If you need help, you can click on the question help. It will walk you through, if you want to see an example, it'll walk you through step by step how to do these. Don't forget that those are there. I'm going to make sure those are there on quizzes and such too. So, I mean, hopefully these will help you out a lot. This does walk you through the algebraic way how to solve, but what you're really interested in is just this setup, because what you're going to do is actually take that setup, come over to Desmos and type it in. So we're going to say Y equals 3,600 plus 40x. And we want to know when that will equal Y equals 120x. Now, we don't see it on my screen, but that's just because of the nature of the 10 by 10. I'm not going to freak out. I'm going to zoom out. And eventually, I'm going to see two lines on there. You can kind of see it here where they merge. I'm going to put my point, 0.36 and 45. 54. I think if I zoom in just a little bit from there, the actual intersection is the one that's out here. That's that 45, 5,400. That means that the bike company, the bicycle store, is going to have to sell, because we made X bicycles, they're going to have to sell 45 bicycles in order to break even. Okay? And then if they were to ask you, I don't think they're going to. No, they didn't in that case, but if they asked you what the break-even point would be, that's where you would put that 5,400. Okay, again, I hope this helps you out, guys. Thanks.